Many stepping stones we have experienced in our practice, but we can't pinpoint one of them as very important. All of them are very important. So what I would like to say is that stepping stones in general, I would like to explain. There are many people we meet on sites, in office, like clients or junior staff, or on sites we meet carpenters, plumbers, POP people, fabricators, different types of people we come across, and we keep learning from them. But I would like to single out carpenters, because mostly we interact mainly with carpenters on interior sites. So in general, they are very intelligent people, very clever. They are not formally educated, but yet they are much more aware of things, much more ahead of our technical knowledge, and they are always ready to learn. So in general, what I have observed is that if you create a proper rapport with them, then they really go out of the way to teach you also, or innovate along with you. No matter what amount of detailing you do in your office, but when you go to site, there is always scope for improvement, and that is where these people and rapport with them come into picture. So to create a rapport with them, I have a very friendly nature with them, a very friendly approach with them. So I praise them whenever they do good work. I never scold them because it's not in my nature also. But I praise a lot of their good work. So they somehow start developing admiration for me, and it's a mutual admiration for each other's work. Then only the good thing starts developing. And about carpenters, what I like about them is they take pride in their work, and their passion towards work is very, very important. So that one aspect which I have learned and I have inculcated in my own way of thinking. And they are very methodical also. If you see their toolbox, the way they have arranged the drills, the cutting blades and everything is properly done. There is a properly organized way of handling their tools, which I learned after looking into their tools, talking to them, and then that also I incorporated in my own pen tools or any other tools, my painting kit or my sketching kit. Everywhere I like to be organized like those people are, and they are very, very, very methodical in that sense. Even their thinking is very methodical. They will plan a particular way of working out the furniture, what comes first, what comes second. So that's another way of learning from them. I wouldn't call it a stepping stone, but these are multiple stepping stones which I would like to explore. And sincerity, their sincerity is tremendous. I mean, whenever I go to site, whether it is early morning or late evening, they're always working. They never miss their timings. They have particular time for lunchtime. They will eat only in that lunchtime. They will not stagger it. And whatever hours they are supposed to work, they are working continuously without any supervision, which is very, very commendable in today's time. When you are not supervised, you still work. So that's another quality which I have like to be in my own life. Sincerity is very important according to me. And the subject of lunch, it reminds me that few years back I suddenly went to site because I was in somewhere near area, and they were eating their food, and the food is very delicious. I was very hungry, and one of them jokingly said, "Sir, why don't you join us?" And I immediately took that opportunity to start with them and ate with them. Since then they have become very friendly. Whenever I go to site, jokingly they say, "Sir, खाना खाना है आज ये सब्जी है and ये दाल बनाया है." So, and they have some special ghee, they put it in their food. It comes from Rajasthan probably, and it tastes beautiful. It's very, very, very tempting to eat with them. So that's how I created rapport with them, and they exchange their details with me, improve upon things, and I like that. And these are the qualities which I would like to take from them, and these are kind of stepping stones for me in my life. Thank you very much.